Okay, so today we're going to explain how to remove the finger outer from the finger body, as well as take a look at the finger inner. Take note of this number here. This needs to correspond to the finger inner. You want to pry on one side. Inside this panel will be another number listed at the bottom. And that number will need to correspond with the same finger as well as this one to reinstall. And sometimes you may also need to hit it on the floor. That'll make sure everything's seated correctly. And it's ready to go.